Good evening, Buckeye Nation. I'm meteorologist Eric DoBroka, and here's a look at your Buckeye TV weather update for your Thursday, April 23rd. Well, taking a live look outside, we finally have some sunshine. Unfortunately, it did come at a price, much colder temperatures. 49 degrees at the moment. It is very windy and cool. Winds are out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour, producing, yes, a wind chill of 43 degrees. Your Buckeye radar looks like this. We do have some snow over in Pennsylvania. Hard to believe we have snow in late April. But for the rest of Ohio, we're looking dry. Expanding outward to our national satellite and radar now, you can actually see way off the east coast our low pressure system, which gave us this cold, unsettled, and rainy weather pattern this past week. Good riddance to that guy, as we finally start to clearing out in the midwestern half of the country. For current temperatures now, we have 41 degrees in Toledo, 54 degrees in Cincinnati, and over here in the Great Plains shows a moderately warming trend, and that will eventually work its way toward our region as well. Wanted to show you this though, just how cold it was yesterday. These are the morning lows. We hit in the mid-30s here in Columbus, but well to our north, they broke records for record cold. Actually in Minnesota, it was in the mid-teens, and over in Wisconsin, they were in the 20s. Never has it been this cold for this late in the season. So winter and spring, yeah, that's just about it. Actually, temperatures are 15 to 20 degrees below average. And to our state up north, we have a foot of snow fell in Bessemer, Michigan. But they weren't alone, as more snow also fell in Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Virginia. And like I said before, it was so cold that records were actually recorded. And for Port Columbus, this is average 45 degrees, what we had yesterday, is typical of February 25th. Surface analysis now. We have high pressure dominating the Illinois area, and that will eventually work its way into our region, allowing those winds to calm down, thankfully. Here's your forecast for tonight. Freeze warning. Can expect a low of right around 29 degrees. The clouds will scatter and the winds will subside thanks to that high pressure coming into our area. And so here are those averages that I was talking about before. Average for April 23rd is 66 degrees. There's 20 degrees below average we were for the past couple of days. So for tomorrow now, we have a high pressure will be entering the Buckeye region, and low pressure will be getting its steam together over in Nebraska, as that will start to gain its focus toward our region for the weekend. For tomorrow, we're going to start out cold in the mid-30s, and then we're going to gradually warm up to the mid-40s by your noon hour, and then your lower 50s, as the skies will be sunny. That's the good thing for tomorrow. Your 5-day forecast now. Well, tomorrow will be crisp, only reaching the middle 50s, dropping down to a temperature of 40 degrees. Saturday, unfortunately, we will not hit 50 degrees as rain moves in. But Sunday will be almost a carbon copy of Friday, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, before we start a nice warming trend in the lower 60s for the early part of next week. I'm meteorologist Eric DoBroka. Thank you for watching.